Hi and welcome. Today we have 5 different cases and we're going to try them on the Samsung S25 ULTRA. There's 2 from OtterBox, 1 from ESR and 2 from Care by Panzer Glass. So let's have a look at the cases and see how they look like and how they fit and all the functionality that you can get of it. So we're going to start with we'll start them like this. We'll start with a Care. So this is a case that has no MagSafe, no magnetic charging features, and they claim 3.6 meter drop tested, so it will be fine if you drop it from that. Slim but still strong, enhanced camera protection. Heat back case, so it has all these holes, so it will release the heat. Let's have a look. As you can see through. What are they saying here? By Panzer Glass. Nice grip. All the cutouts are done correctly. Buttons are covered. And yeah, it is raised around the camera edge. And then probably a bit raised around the screen. But let's see. Okay, so I'm liking nice minimalistic case, nice grip, and wireless charging should still work. So let's see. We have the wireless charger from Samsung, and yes, it's charging using fast wireless charging. So that's pretty much with this case. Let's go to the next one. Let's see how easy it is to remove as well. Okay, that was fairly easy. So let's move on to the next one. This one, it has magnetic Qi compatible, smoky case, and then again they claim the same things. 3.6 meter drop test, slim yet strong, enhanced camera protection. So yeah, let's take it out and see. I've used this one before because I do like it. It has this raised edge around the camera lenses, buttons are covered, and then you have all the cutouts and also reinforced in the corners, as you can see. MagSafe, yeah. So let's try it on. It goes in straight, like quite fast and easy. Yeah, as you can see, it's raised a bit around the screen, and it looks nice. You can see Samsung in there. You can see the back of your phone, and this one with the magnetic thing, you can still put it on a normal non-MagSafe or non-magnetic charger, but you can also use a magnetic charger like this one. Oh, it was the other way around, maybe. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, it's charging as well. It's not you probably need with Samsung, you probably just need one of those circles, because as you can see, it's doing fast wireless charging, but it's not staying properly. So power banks, maybe if you're at home, but then you can use this kind of chargers and they sit better, because you see it's not obstructing with that camera lens. Although the grip is not great, the magnetic is quite it's not strong at all. But yeah, there you have it. Let's move to the next case. See how fast we can remove it. Really good and easy. So yeah, don't really trust these cases with magnetic for you know, when you are in your car, because I think the phone will fall. So yeah, let's move on to this one. So this is ESR hybrid case, MagSafe, and he's claiming that it has a really strong like a 1500 grams magnetic lock, military grade protection. So let's see. You can see this using a different kind of halo lock magnetic case. ESR tech made it easier. Camera guard. So yeah, let's see. Quite nice case. Clips in position. You can see it's raised to protect it in case it falls. Tech made easier. ESR. Buttons are covered. All the cutouts done correctly. And yeah, I really like this as well. So let's see how it works. If it still works with the normal wireless charger. And it looks like it does. Fast wireless charging still. What about the magnetic one? Yeah, as you can see, it's holding much better than the other one. Still fast wireless charging. So yeah, much better. And where you should excel, hopefully, it's with one of these. Let's see. Still, I don't know what's happening, guys. It's not as an Apple phone, isn't it? Let me show you what I mean by that. So there you have a MagSafe case in here. Oh, okay. I'm not sure what's happening with this. That's even worse. This one is holding. Yeah, guys, very strange. That should be a bit better. Seems like it's worse. Yeah, that's very weak. But then again, what about if I remove this completely? Sorry about the phone, it's a disaster. I haven't cleaned it. No, yeah, that's weaker. Wow. Okay, I don't know what to say. Maybe it is a good and strong case. This is not really good. It doesn't have a good magnet, but look, it's staying much better on that. So yeah, a good thumbs up then for ESR. Really nice case. And then you can see your phone as well. It's protecting the cameras as well. The only thing is, I don't know if they say anything about yellowing. Normally these kind of cases, they do tend to become yellow, and they don't say anything about that. No. So yeah, let's see how easy it is to remove as well. That's really nice and easy. Because I'll tell you what, I'm not gonna even talk about it, because I've been trying it in a different video. This is a nightmare to remove. I've struggled removing this case. So yeah, if you get this one, make sure you're happy with keeping it on. Luckily it didn't scratch my phone, because I would have been very angry. So yeah, let's move on. So now we're gonna look at the case that I do like, from OtterBox, Symmetry Series, Ultra Slim, Ultra Fine, 3 times as many drops as military standards, and then designed for Samsung. So built-in anchors to connect phone straps, recycled materials, raised edges protect camera. Let's see. I've tried them all, of course, before, so yeah, you have to do these things just to get an idea. That's how it looks like, something hard inside, and then it's all maybe molded together. You can see the reinforcement in there, in there, in there, and raised around the camera. Buttons are covered. I actually use this until I realized that it's a bit thick in here, so I have to take it out when I'm using some USB-C accessories. So yeah, let's see. But it feels really soft, the material. It fits really nice and snug, and you can see it's protecting really well the screen as well. Obviously wireless charging working, but it doesn't have MagSafe, so no magnetic charging with this one. So yeah, it's easy to take out as well. It's really nice and smooth. It's not gonna scratch your phone or anything. It's a pleasure to work with. So last case, something that I normally don't go for is this type of case. So it's like, it's gonna, sorry, I forgot to show you. So what they say, React folio, drop tested for military standard, magnetic folio closure, card holder. So yeah, it's quite interesting case. OtterBox. This is not removable, and yes, I've used this one as well. You can see it's raised around the camera, volume up and down, power, and it has this magnetic close, which is not the strongest. You can see you can easily open it. I think there's some magnets in here. Yeah, there's 3 ones. So that's how it works. So you put your phone in like so. And then, you know, you can have a card with you. I never really have something I can show you. Let me see if I have today, because usually these cards they have. Okay, I can show you with this card. So you can just add your card in there. Damn, this is like, it's not even a really thick card. I guess it's because it's new. Quite tight in there. But that's how it would look like. And then it protects your screen. It definitely protects the back of your phone. And you can still speak. I can still take calls, because obviously that's the microphone and the speaker on the top. Still charging just fine. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.